Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Discovery Dynamic HSE, finishing the very stylish silicon silver. It's a 3-litre diesel, does come with manufacturer's warranty up until December 2027. It's sitting on those stunning diamond turned alloys, working perfectly with the exterior styling. To finish it off, you have got the rear privacy glass. Showing the practicality of the vehicle now. This vehicle does come with 7 seats. These can be easily raised to provide a huge amount of practicality. You've got the light Oyster and Ebony leather finish on the interior, as well as the heated rear seats there as well. You've got the Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard, and you have got the sliding front and fixed rear panoramic sunroofs, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Always a nice feature to have. Taking a seat inside, you have got the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, ensuring full confidence, especially when getting into those side spaces. Huge range of other features can be accessed with a simple touch, and these do include your electrically deployable tow bar for all your towing needs. You have also got the heated and cooled front seats, perfect for use all year round, very luxurious feature to have. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.